Hello and welcome students to this new video of the module Digital Electronics. This video is basically the continuation of the topic number system conversion, and this is basically the part 5 of the topic number system conversion. If you have not seen the earlier videos, I recommend you to watch those videos and then come back to these videos. Basically what we are doing is we are making the complete playlist on the subject digital electronics. So we are going to cover each and every topics of the digital electronics. Along with that, I request you to follow me on the Instagram as well as on the LinkedIn. So these are the social media handles on which I give regular updates about myself. So if you want to connect me regularly, I request you to please follow me on the Instagram as well as on the LinkedIn. Now without wasting much more time, let's start this video. So as you have read the title, in this video what we are going to do is basically the conversion from hexadecimal number to the octal number. As well as on this video we are going to do the reverse, that means octal to hexadecimal. This is basically the group 5 of the number system conversion, in which we are going to explore this number system conversion. So for doing this conversion you need to know group 3 and group 4 that we have covered in the earlier videos. You guys can click here, the link might be flashing somewhere over here. You can click on that, you can watch those videos and then come back to this video. Now first we will do is hexa to octal conversion. Now to make this conversion easy, the path we will choose is we will not directly do hexadecimal to octal, we will do hexadecimal to binary that we have covered in the earlier video, and then from binary we will do octal conversion. Okay, so for that let's take one example. I am taking AB9.1F. Okay, this is the number that I want to convert to octal number. Okay, so first what I will do, I am going to write down the binary of this hexadecimal number. So for that I will first write each and every digit that I am having in the hexadecimal, and then I have to write its binary in the group of 4 digits. Okay, so for 9 the binary will become 1001. For B, as it represents 11, so binary will become 1011, and A that represents 10, its binary will become 1010. For 1 the binary will be 0001, and for F the binary will be 1111. So this becomes the binary of the hexadecimal number AB9.1F. Now what we need to do, we need to convert this binary number to the octal number. So for doing that what we need to do, we need to make the group of 3 digits. Okay, so first group that we will make is this, that is basically 001. After that the next group is this, that is nothing but 111. Then the next group is 010, and the last group is basically 101. Similarly here also we will do that. The first group is 000, the next group is 111, and the last group is 11, and we will add 10 at the end, so this becomes 110. After that we need to write down its equivalent decimal. So 001 is basically 1, 111 is 7, 010 is 2, and 101 is 5. So it is 5271. 000 is 0, 111 is 7, 110 is 6. So basically the answer of AB9.1F is 5271.076. So this is how you need to do the hexadecimal to octal. Now we'll take the conversion from octal to hexadecimal. Guys, if you are liking this series, if you are liking this type of videos, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It will definitely motivate me a lot to making this content regularly. Also there are so many other types of videos available on this channel, so I request you to go through that videos also and like those videos. It will really motivate me to bring this kind of content regularly on this channel. Now coming back to this topic, let's do the conversion from octal to hexadecimal. Here the octal number that we are going to take is, let's say, 562.177. okay, so this is the octal number that we need to convert into the hexadecimal number. So here also we will follow the path that first we will do octal to binary and then from binary to hexadecimal. See why we are doing this, because this is the easiest way of conversion, right? So I will write down the digits 562 0.177. Then what I need to do, for each and every digit I need to write down its binary in the group of 3 bits, right? So first of all, I will write down the binary of 2 in the group of 3 digits, that is nothing but 010. Then for 6 the binary will become 110, and for the 5 the binary will become 101. Then for 1 the binary will become 001, for 7 the binary will become 111, and again for 7 the binary will become 111. Now we are getting the binary number of the octal number 562.177. After that we need to convert this binary number into the hexadecimal number, and for doing that the key is we need to make the group of 4 digits. So first group that we will have, that is nothing but 0010. The second group over here will be 0111, and the last we are having 1. Okay, we can add 3 zeros also, but it will not change any values, so you can skip that also. Now after the point we need to make the group of 4 digits. So the first group will be 0011, the second group will be 1111, and the last group will be 1 and then 000, right? After that the last point is we need to write down its equivalent decimal. So 0010 stands for 2, 0111 stands for 7, 0001 obviously it is nothing but 1. Then we are having a point here, 0011 is 3, 1111 is F, and last 1000 is nothing but 8. So this is your answer. So the hexadecimal conversion of the octal number 562.177 is 172.3F8. I hope with these 2 examples you guys are very much clear that how to do octal to hexadecimal as well as hexadecimal to octal conversion. We are going to continue this digital electronics in the further videos. Till that point, I request you all to like this video, subscribe this video, and share this video to the students, to your friends, to your family, those who are dealing with this subject and they need this type of content. So I request you to share this video, and at the end I would like to thank all of you for continuously supporting me through this journey of the education. And finally it's time to say goodbye. We will meet in the next video.